Today, I am reviewing the Apple 2024 iMac all-in-one desktop computer with M4 chip. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Apple 2024 iMac all-in-one desktop is a stunning combination of performance, design, and intelligence, all packed into a sleek, modern form factor. Powered by Apple's M4 chip with a 10-core CPU and a 10-core GPU, this iMac is built for Apple intelligence, meaning it not only delivers exceptional speed and responsiveness, but also brings smart features that help you work, create, and express yourself effortlessly. Whether you're editing photos, creating presentations, gaming, or streaming content, the M4 chip ensures everything runs smoothly and efficiently. The 24-inch Retina display is one of the highlights of this iMac. With 4.5K resolution, 500 nits of brightness, and support for up to 1 billion colors, everything you see is sharp, vibrant, and immersive. From intricate graphic designs to high-resolution videos, the visuals are clear and lifelike, making this desktop perfect for creative professionals, students, or anyone who enjoys top-quality displays. Apple has designed this iMac to fit seamlessly in any space. The all-in-one design keeps your workspace minimal and clutter-free, while the vibrant purple color adds a touch of personality and style. Despite its powerful hardware, the iMac is surprisingly thin and compact, making it an eye-catching centerpiece for any desk or room. For video calls and online meetings, the iMac comes equipped with a 12MP center stage camera, 3 studio-quality microphones, and 6 speakers with spatial audio. This setup ensures that you not only look great on camera, but also sound crystal clear. Whether you're hosting a meeting, taking a class, or chatting with friends and family, the iMac delivers professional-level audio and video quality. Apple Intelligence is built into this iMac, providing smart tools that help you write, organize, and complete tasks efficiently. The system keeps your data private and secure, so you can feel confident that your personal information is protected. In addition, macOS optimizations allow popular applications like Microsoft 365 and Adobe Creative Cloud to run seamlessly, giving you a smooth and fast experience for productivity, creativity, and entertainment. Connectivity is also a strong point. With up to 4 Thunderbolt 4 ports, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.3, you can connect external displays, storage devices, and accessories with ease. The iMac even allows you to connect up to 2 external 6K displays, expanding your workspace for multitasking or creative projects. It works flawlessly with other Apple devices too. You can mirror your iPhone, copy, and paste across devices, and even send or receive calls and messages directly from your Mac. Inside, this iMac features 16 GB of unified memory and 256 GB of SSD storage, ensuring fast application performance and smooth multitasking. Apple's unified memory architecture optimizes how apps share resources, improving efficiency and responsiveness across the system. In summary, the Apple 2024 iMac with M4 chip is more than just a computer. It's a beautifully designed, intelligent, and powerful all-in-one desktop that enhances productivity, creativity, and entertainment. Whether you're a professional looking for speed and reliability, a student who wants a compact yet capable system, or someone who simply loves high-quality design and visuals, this iMac delivers an unparalleled experience. Its combination of a stunning display, Apple Intelligence, robust performance, and seamless ecosystem integration makes it one of the best all-in-one desktops available in 2024.